Hello and welcome to Introduction to Python Programming series. In this particular video, we will be looking at how to write Python codes with the renowned Google Colab. So first, you'd have to open any browser of your choice, then type Google Colab. Okay, so you can actually read what we have here. Colab executes code on Google Cloud servers, meaning you can leverage the power of Google hardware, including GPUs and TPUs, regardless of the power of your machine. So we select this. Okay. So before you can use Colab, you'd have to sign in with your Google account. From there, you can use that. So let's create a new notebook here. I've already signed in from my side, so I just have to create a notebook, then write my code. So I could come here, then write my first line of code, print. I have to first connect to the servers, Google server. So I connect here. So let's wait for some time for it to connect to Google servers. Okay, it's now connected. If you see that on this particular server, I have about 12 gigabytes of RAM, and then I'm at this space of, I think, 107.72 gigabyte. So I run this here. Then this is the output you can see here. So that is it for using Google Colab for writing Python scripts. Thank you.